If you're a small business owner, you know how critical it is to keep IT costs down while staying productive. But what if there's a solution that could drastically reduce those costs without sacrificing efficiency? In this video, we'll explore exactly how GoTo Resolve can cut IT costs for small businesses and help streamline your operations. Stick around till the end, because I'll share an exclusive offer and some alternatives that might actually be better for your needs. Let's dive into it. The first thing that comes to mind when you think about cutting IT costs is reducing your need for on site IT support. GoTo Resolve offers a powerful remote IT management solution that lets you monitor and manage your entire network remotely. Whether you're dealing with device troubleshooting, software updates, or security issues, you can take care of it all from anywhere, cutting down the need for in-house IT staff. This means fewer salaries to pay and less overhead when it comes to hiring specialists. Next thing to consider is scalability. As your business grows, so do your IT needs. With GoTo Resolve, you don't have to worry about scaling up your IT team to meet demand. Its cloud-based structure allows businesses to expand seamlessly without the need for significant hardware or software upgrades. Whether you're adding new devices or locations, GoTo Resolve grows with you, saving both time and money. The fourth thing is their proactive monitoring. GoTo Resolve offers automated alerts and monitoring that helps you catch potential issues before they become major problems. It's like having an IT team on standby 24/7, but without the hourly costs. When you can prevent system failures, you avoid the downtime that can be expensive for your business. Another key feature is the integrated support tools. GoTo Resolve provides a comprehensive help desk solution. Your team can access quick support through remote sessions or even have their devices fixed without leaving their desks. For small businesses where IT budgets are often tight, this self-service and remote support option is invaluable for keeping things running smoothly. The next thing you might appreciate is the security features. GoTo Resolve ensures that your network and sensitive business data are protected. With built-in security features like multi-factor authentication, remote device management, and encrypted communications, you're getting enterprise-level security without the enterprise-level price tag. But here's the thing, while GoTo Resolve offers some solid solutions, it's not the only player in the field. There are other tools like TeamViewer and AnyDesk that also offer remote IT management. The problem with these, however, is that they often don't provide the same level of integration for small businesses, especially when it comes to scalability and proactive monitoring. You might find that you're still paying for features you don't need or facing limits on the number of devices or users. Which brings us to the alternatives. While GoTo Resolve is a great choice, some alternatives might actually be better for your business, depending on your needs. I'll be talking about a few of them in just a second. But before I do, I want to make sure you don't miss out on an exclusive offer. Through our link, you'll get access to GoTo Resolve's best free trial, along with some added benefits that are only available to our viewers. But I'll also give you a closer look at alternatives that can be even better for cutting your IT costs. These services offer a free trial too, and can sometimes be more tailored for specific needs, depending on your business's unique goals. So, whether you choose GoTo Resolve or one of these alternatives, make sure you're getting the best value for your money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link in the description for your exclusive trial and added bonuses.